Alright, this is I needed an overhead router setup, but I don't have much room in my garage here. So all this really is my bench-mounted drill press. I took, this is actually a Harbor Freight hand router, and I went ahead and to the top plate put a couple of bolts through, and I bolted the router right through the base. Down below you can see the cutter sticking down below. On the bottom table area, I just mounted this piece of plastic I had to give me a bigger table. And I'll show you a piece that I was routering on it. But what it is, you can adjust it by raising this table up and down. That's your depth. But that's the little setup I got. Now I'll show you a little clip of how it works and what I do with it. Here's my signs. It's got the letters cut out on the bandsaw, but now I got the spacing to hold the letters apart. I want to router that down around 1/4 of an inch in between the letters, just so the letters will stick out more. And I'll show you how that looks. And you can see how I routed that down. Let's see how this video took.